We won. We won today. Veterans Day was yesterday. Yeah, they're out there right now with it. Watch out that cord. Give me a second. I'll go get it for you. Sure. Yeah, my truck's a mess. My truck's a mess right now. I literally we just came back from.
You ain't got time to do your own. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's how it always is.
I love a clean car.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ask her how anal I am about it.
Yeah, that looks good, Stephanie.
We literally just came back, like I said, from the other side of America with a camper, and we've gone through.
Traveling.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's how we base most of our. Oh, look. Hold on.